I want to ask now something. I never taste spaghetti with enough spice too. I'm not no worry. Don't I'll test them.
Like is spicy indomie. Sometimes food not my peace of mind. I carry am for my head. See, if I know they think of food, I go check up on my health. Even if them break my heart, can't stop me from eating.
These are seasoned washed meat akpomo. We are allowing it to boil. And these are our blended tomato. Steaming the water from it. And this is the steamed blended tomato onion. We are frying it. We stand and wait for some minutes. Keep stirring. It forms this golden color, and this is it. After which I go in with my protein. And we stir and allow it to boil for some minutes. Then going in with our vegetable. That's the simply. And we stir.
So now never forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube page, and always remember to eat healthy, stay healthy, and drink enough water. Thank you.